What's up, guys? JJ here with Naraki's Reptiles, but today I'm not doing reptile videos. We're gonna hit up Haspin Acres, film some riding like old times, and yeah, it's been a few years since I filmed any riding videos, but recently decided to get back into it. Not a razor this time though. This time we have a brand new 2023 KTM 300 XC. Just picked it up a few weeks ago, and yeah. So we're gonna take this thing out to Haspin with a few buddies and get some riding in. Pick you guys up there. I literally just about ruined the video because I've gone back to my house twice now and forgot the GoPro the first time and then the GoPro mount the second time. So almost wasn't able to film, but I literally drove back twice, so hopefully I get some good footage today. Custom $3,000 pit box, can't afford to stand. Kind of just cruise around for a minute, get the bike warmed up.
So I might be fucking
What'd you say?
I might be shit. Good old abandoned little, whatever the thing is, Nissan or something. Oh, I don't know. There's all kinds of vehicles all over this place. It's pretty funny. Big old steep hill. I'm sure the camera don't do no justice. Cradle this thing all the way down, hopefully. Oh, stuck too soon. Slid out. Oh. Oh yeah. Get back up on this cradle point. There we go. These hills are slick and steep. Good old creek riding, yeah. Pop your tube. Fuck.
Broke. Already working on stuff.
Do you have a fucking knife?
Yeah, in my center console. Buzz popped us too.
Oh fucking gosh!
Jesus.
Had the GoPro off, but I just laid it down on Devil's Backbone. I wish I would have been playing it. Snapped half my clutch lever off, but still usable, so too bad. Damn. You good? Getting wore out.
Well, guys, I'm on the way back home. Just dropped Kyle off. Pretty good day. I busted my knee on Devil's Backbone. I don't even know if I got the footage of it. Got hung up on another hill pretty bad. Wore me out. About time I was done. But other than that, it's a pretty good day. Other than Adam popping a tube, really didn't have any issues. But yeah, get this bike home, get it cleaned, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.